Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft is also going to tweak the different apps and interfaces in Windows 11, especially attacking the web apps. Some of the apps that we actually use in Windows have over time become basically web apps. So what it happens is it looks like an app, but in reality you're in a web browser, and the web browser is shaped to look like the app that you are actually using. So for most people, you don't really see the difference. You don't see that the app you're using is a web app rather than an app that's been actually programmed and coded with Windows UI. So Microsoft wants to stop this. First of all, it asked all developers that all apps that they make should use the Web UI 3, which is the way that Windows can actually display apps. And the reason they want that is because it will make Windows a lot faster. And so some of the native core apps and services that are web apps will be rewritten to become native Windows apps that actually run on WinUI 3. Microsoft is working on that. They say that this will also boost performance on many ways inside Windows, and that real apps now should actually be the norm rather than having web containers where the app is just in reality a disguised web browser. So this is also good news because apparently it will give us much faster performance, as WinUI 3 is faster when you're using apps that have been coded for it rather than web apps themselves. So that's also something that they're working on for this year, meaning that slowly we'll have the new apps show up and that will be coded for Windows 11 instead of a web app. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.